And a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to discuss with you on how to solve partial fractions questions. Okay, let's have a look what we have here. Okay, now we need to write 5 over x cubed minus 1 as a partial fraction. Okay, first thing first, we need to make sure it's a proper fraction. So this is x degree 0. Okay, and the denominator degree 3. Okay, so it's a proper fraction. Okay, good. So next is that we have to factorize x cubed minus 1. But the problem is we don't have the 0. Okay, so maybe we need to let px equals the whole expressions in the denominator. Okay, and then we guess what are the numbers that can make px equals 0. So maybe we can try p0. So 0 cubed minus 1, oh, we get minus 1. Okay, so over here p0 is not 0. Okay, since p0 is not equal to 0, okay, therefore 0 is not. Therefore, x minus 0 is not a factor. Okay, so what's the next number? Or maybe 1. Okay, so p1 equals 1 cubed minus 1. And then, oh, we get 0. Lucky us. So p1 equals 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. Since we have x minus 1 as our factor, we can divide this factor. We can divide px by this factor by performing long division. Okay, so we have x cubed here minus 1 over here. So what we have is x squared. Okay, and then this one x. Okay, and then we subtract. X squared, x cubed, and then x squared. Okay, correct. So 0 x squared. Okay, and then next multiply by x. Okay, and then we have x squared. We have minus x, and then we subtract. Okay, 0 x minus 1, and then 1. So x minus 1, we subtract, and then we get 0. For your information, we must get 0 because it is already established that x minus 1 is a factor. So when px divides by x minus 1, the remainder must be 0. Okay, now, so from here we know that x cubed minus 1 equals x minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, now this one factorized already. This one we need this is quadratic expression. So maybe we can use EQN to have a to get the factorization. Okay, but if you use your EQN, you will get your x something like the number I think it's half. I think it's half plus something with I at the back. Okay, if you use the silver one lah, or if you use the black one, the black calculator, at the right edge over here, you will see a small symbol of R with a double edge arrow with I. Okay, so if you see this over here at your black calculator, or you see this in your silver calculator, okay, then it means that you have a non-real root. Okay, so in this chapter, at least in your syllabus as a matriculation student, we are not dealing with non-real root. Okay, so it means that we cannot factorize this expression, the one that I highlighted further. Okay, so we have the fraction lah. So we have 5 over x cubed minus 1 equals 5 over x minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, so 5 over x minus 1, I copy paste everything back. Okay, because we want to do the partial fraction over on the right hand side. Now, we have two fractions. The first one, I put it here, x minus 1. Okay, and the second one, I break it over here. So it's x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, now for the first, flying. Okay, for the first fraction, the degree of denominator is 1. So the highest possible one must be x to the power of 0. So the coefficient is a lah. Okay. I don't want lah. F lah. Okay, F. Okay, but for this one, the highest, the degree of denominator is 2. So the highest possible degree for numerator is power, x power 1 and x power 0. So we don't know the coefficient, we just put g and h. Okay, so this is the expression that, this is the partial fraction that we want to find. So from here, we know we have to find f, g, and h. Now, the next step is to combine these fractions. Okay, so what we do is, we know f already got x minus 1, so f needs x squared plus x plus 1 plus gx plus h, put brackets some more, don't forget. Okay, for the second fraction, gx plus h already got x squared plus x plus 1. So, gx plus h only need x minus 1. Okay, and then we can combine the fraction. X plus 1, 5, x minus 1, plus x plus 1. Okay, now we can compare, since down here just the same thing. Okay, compare x equals f x squared plus x plus 1 plus g x plus h x minus 1. Okay, now over here we have x minus 1. So this circle can be 0 if x equals 1. So we can use this to get f, g, or h. Okay, depends on the situation. So we have 5, so f 1 square plus 1 plus 1. Okay, plus g. Okay, now the green bracket will be 0. So but the multiple of it also becomes 0. Okay, so clearly from here we have f is as 5 over 3. Okay, next, since there's no factor around, there's nothing to substitute to make 0 also, so we need to let x equal something else. The easy one, 0 lah. Okay, so 5 equals f, f no already, so ganti lah, 5 over 3. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1 lah. Okay, plus gx is 0 plus h. Okay, 0 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, from here clearly we can get what h is. So 5 over 3 plus, minus h. Okay, and then h is 5 over 3 minus 15 over 3. We have minus 10 over 3. Wait, correct? Correct. Okay, so we have f and we have h. Now what we want to find is f, g, g lah. So we need to decide another number that we want to substitute. So 1 already done, 0 already substitute, maybe minus 1. Yeah. So we let x equals minus 1. Okay, so 5 equals f minus 1 squared is 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1 plus 1. And then gx minus 1 minus g plus h. Minus g plus h. Okay, and then minus 2. Okay, now since tak apa, we ganti of we simplify first, then we ganti f and h. So 5, what's this? Oh, 1 f. Okay, and then I think we can expand these two. So plus 2g. Okay, plus 2g minus 2h. Okay, now we know what f is. Okay, f is why flying. Cannot delete some more. Okay, now 5 over 3, and then h, I substitute minus 10 over 3. Okay, now 2g is 5 minus 5 over 3 minus 20 over 3. Correct? Correct. Okay. So, 2g, 5 is 15 over 3 minus 5 over 3 minus 20 over 3. So, what we have here is 15 minus 25, which is minus 10 over 3. Okay, and then we multiply by 1 over 2, we get minus 10 over 6. Okay, so we already got the value when I check with my answer. Correct or not? Oh, correct. Correct. I think so. Correct. Okay, 10 over 6. 10 over 6 is just 5 over 3, what? Oh, yeah. Okay. So we copy this partial fraction in terms of f, g, and h. Okay, and then put here. Okay. 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 So I padam all this. Okay. Now, so f is 5 over 3. Okay. 5 over 3. X0 ni buang lah. Why cannot? Okay, good. Now, and then h is minus 10 over 3. H is minus 10 over 3. Okay, and then g is minus 5 over 3. Minus 5 over 3. Okay, bracket. Okay, now I zoom here. We can see clearly. 5, 3 bring down, bracket, everything. Okay, now this one I put this, and then x squared plus x plus 1 I put in the bracket. Now we can factorize minus and 3. It's actually 1 over 3 lah. Okay, so I take up 1 over 3 over here, and then what's left is 5x plus 10. Yes. Okay, and then 5 over 3 lah, copy paste lah. And then this one minus 5x plus 10 over 3 x squared plus x plus 1. Okay. So, that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.